Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve group anagrams. Given an array of string, group anagrams together. Anagram means that for this word we just change the position of the letter. So in order to solve this, we need to use hash table. So let me name it mapping. So for this one, EAT, we have to sort it first. Sort it and it will become AET, and we use this as the key. And the value, we just put original string here, EAT. And TEA is the same. Sorted become AET, and we just put TEA here. And 10 will become ANT, right? And we put original array here, TAN. And ATE will become AET when we sort it, and then we also put ATE here, ATE. And then an AT will become ANT, and so we just put ANT here. And BAT will become ABT. Then we just need to put the original string here. So, and then later on we just need to return the keys of the mapping, right? Keys of the hash table. That's it. And this algorithm, the time complexity is we have n numbers of strings, so it's n also multiplied by when we sort this string, the complexity is n log n. So that's the overall time complexity. And the space complexity is log n. It's not log n, sorry. It's O n. Okay. O of n. Because we just create a map. Right? Map will store each strings. Okay. Let's see how we implement in code. Smaller. Okay. So I need a result. Right? Let me just. And we need to return a result, right? And we have to check the input, check the edge cases. So if it's nil or the length of the string, the array is 0, we just return the empty. And then we need to create a mapping. Key is the string, value is slice of string, it means array of. And for just use let me use range. So we just loop through the array range, and we need to sort the string. So in Go we have to do this way. I turn the string into bytes, slice of byte, and then I just sort it. Slice function int return bool return I. This way we are able to sort this slice. And later on we have to turn back to the string. Okay. So the mapping strings B. So we have to update. When we sorted this string, we have to update the array. So that's how we update it, and then we put the original string back to this array. Okay. And in the end, we just need to map loop through this hash table and just get all the values. And that's it. So let me explain again. We create a mapping, right? And this is for Go. In other languages, maybe you can just sort the string easily. We just update the array, right? We have to put a sorted string as a key, right? For EAT, we just put AET as a key, and then we update the array. We put the original string, like EAT, back to this array. Later on, we just loop through the hash table and put all the keys, put all the values to our result, and that's it. And let's run the code. Okay, set. Let's submit it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.